Giraffe as gorilla is a giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe as gorilla is a giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe as gorilla. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Now, usually I make videos about like animation and stuff, but I've just found out how to create a custom boot screen without having to go into your files at all. And all you need is a rooted device and a PC. And that's it. Okay guys, so before we start this, I do want to mention that this does use SMBootFX. I just modified the files so that you are able to put any custom boot animation that you want onto this. So, the base that this is just if you want any templates. I'll leave the link in the description. But, yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first what you want to do is download the file that is the link in the description and then extract it. And then once you open it, it should be called Custom Boot Screen. You can rename this to whatever you want. So I'm just gonna rename this to Tutorial Boot Screen. So you want to open this up, and then you'll see all of these. So let's start off with uninstall.sh. You want to right click it and then either click edit with notepad if you prefer to use that, but I do not prefer to use that. I just use Notepad++. Either way does work, but I do recommend Notepad++ because it works a lot better with coding. So basically in here, you don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but right here on these logs _ uninstall, you can type in whatever you want into these little boxes, but really that's all you need for this part. You didn't have to do a lot in uninstall.sh. Basically it's the same thing for service.sh. Just go down and then here's a log message and then log messages here, so you can just edit these if you want to. And then module.prop. This one is one that you're actually going to have to edit. So this one is, okay, so you do not want to edit the ID, but right here on name, just delete this and then type in the name. So I'm going to type in tutorial boot screen. Don't mess with the version. I mean, you can if you want to, but I just keep it on this one because this is what it came in when I downloaded it. Okay. Right here is the author, so you want to put in the author and the description. So we put in the description green for tutorial. What the? Okay, I don't know. We'll just spell it like that. Oh wait, I'm freaking stupid. Anyway, update.json, do not update that either. And then you can save it. Next is customize.sh. This one is kind of the same as just the other ones. Down here we have these logs right here. So yeah, you can see UI print, installing boot animation, all of that. Okay, so next is the actual file. Changelog. You can update this if you want to. This is just from SMBootFX. I will probably remove all of these once I export it, but yeah. So you want to go to System, Media, and then this folder will be empty. Now, basically, to make it, you have to use Samsung theme thing, whatever. You can just watch a tutorial on how to do that part because I really don't want to do that part. It takes forever, trust me. So just make sure that you already have your QMG files on here, or like on your desktop or something, I don't know. Just make sure you already have your QMG files. So if you do, then just drag them into this folder right here. Okay, so once you have these in here, all 3 files, I'm not sure if you need the shutdown one, but if you want to make one, you can. But if you do have these files, then go ahead and put them in here. After you do that, go back to this part, select everything, click on this, and then press compress to zip file, and then just name this whatever you want. So tutorial boot screen. After you have that, you then want to transfer it over to your tablet or phone or whatever using a USB. So I will be right back while I go get a USB. Okay, I have my USB. So what we want to do is plug it in and then plug the other end into our computer. Okay, so now that we have this, we're gonna put this to the side. And then we want to go to our internal storage. And then we can go to, where do we go? I guess we'll just go to download. And then we want to take our zip file here and bring it into here. Once we have that zip file there, now we can actually go to our computer, our PC. Nope, I can't talk. Now we can actually go to our tablet. So, you can unplug the USB. So now that we're loaded up onto our tablet or phone, whatever you're using, you want to open up Magisk. I'm going to disable my Giraffe boot for now. You want to click install from storage. And then look for your thing. So click on that. Click on it. And then click OK. And then just wait. Once it's done, it should show like all of the information that you did. As you can see right here. Tutorial screen by Giraffe's Gorilla, all of that. And now we just click the reboot button. Alright, there it is. That's the custom loading screen that I put into it. And it does work. And then it loads right up. So, yeah, that is how you get the custom things without having to go through your Explorer or anything. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. I'm going to... Okay, gotta get my case back on. There we go. Oh shoot, am I still recording?